Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow out your hair naturally. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys this amazing shampoo that can help fight hair loss as well as just strengthen your hair and also darken your hair. So if that's what you're interested in, keep watching. One of the ingredients I'm going to be using is my hibiscus glycerin, and next I'm going to be using pure instant coffee. You want to make sure that it's 100% pure instant coffee. So yeah, we're going to be using that as well. And next up, we're going to be using the African black soap. So yeah, I'm going to be using the African black soap in this shampoo. So that will be our foaming agent. So African black soap is very important. It has a lot of amazing benefits for our hair and our skin. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and chop the soap into smaller pieces just so that it can easily dissolve. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And next, I'm going to transfer the little pieces of the soap into a cup. So I'm just going to transfer that into a cup, and when all that is in the cup, I'm just going to add a cup of hot water. So yeah, I'm going to add a cup of hot water to that, and then I'm going to stir it time after time, and then just watch it and stir again until it's completely dissolved. So using warm water or hot water helps the soap to dissolve faster rather than when you use cold water. So yeah, it's important that you use hot water, especially if you do not have time to waste. So yeah, you want to strain that up because the black soap has some particles in it and you don't want those in your hair. So you have to sieve that or just strain those out. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add my coffee. So yeah, coffee is very, very essential for this recipe. The caffeine in coffee helps to reduce hair loss by blocking the production of DHT, which is a hormone that is known to cause hair loss. So yeah, we need coffee in this shampoo. And yeah, moving on, I'm going to add my hibiscus glycerin. Hibiscus helps to promote hair growth, strengthen the hair, and glycerin acts as a humectant which draws moisture to the hair. And yeah, hibiscus also acts as a natural hair dye. So next, I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil, which is a very moisturizing oil. It helps to keep the hair moisturized, smooth, shiny, and yeah, it also helps with hair growth. Next, castor oil, which is very popularly known to promote hair growth. I'm just going to add that, and I'm going to add my vitamin E oil, which is also very amazing, which is an amazing stimulant for hair growth. And now I'm going to add my aloe vera gel. So aloe vera also helps to soothe the scalp, also promotes hair growth, has many amazing antioxidants that prevents hair loss. And I'm going to add peppermint essential oil, which stimulates blood flow to the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. Next, I'm also going to add rosemary essential oil, which is amazing for hair growth and hair density. Lavender can speed up hair growth, so I'm adding some lavender essential oil. It does have antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can improve the scalp health. So I'm just mixing all of that together, and now I'm going to transfer this into my bottle. So I'm going to use this pump top bottle because it's for shampoo and it's just amazing. Voila, the shampoo is ready, and this is how it looks. It is super rich. You guys saw all the amazing ingredients that we used in it. Now it's time to apply this to my scalp. I want to show you how it works on the hair, how it looks in my hair. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this shampoo to my hair. I'll begin applying the shampoo to my scalp. Yeah, we want to focus on our scalp because that's the area we need to be very, very clean. So I'm just going to apply that to my scalp and massage it in just to make sure that you're getting rid of all the dirt and all the buildup. And then I'm going to walk that through to the length of my hair, making sure every area is covered. And as you can see, this shampoo is very moisturizing. Just by looking at it, you can tell it makes your hair feel very soft while cleansing it, very moisturized. It has a lot of foam, so you don't need to apply so many times. So yeah, it works amazingly for our hair. While I'm applying this to my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys some of the amazing benefits of the African black soap for our hair. The plantain skin and leaves used to make the soap contain high concentrations of vitamin A and E, which helps to promote the growth of thicker and longer hair. Vitamin E contains antioxidant properties that reduce free radicals leading to hair loss. Vitamin A helps the skin glands to make an oily substance called sebum, which moisturizes the scalp, keeping the hair healthy. So these two vitamins are very, very important for healthy hair, and this black soap contains a lot of that. The high oil and glycerin content keeps your hair moisturized and softer as it cleanses it. So if you've seen where they make the African black soap, they use a lot of oil, and yeah, it has shea butter. Just depends on how they make it. It has glycerin and all of that. So that's what keeps your hair very moisturized while it cleanses it. It has anti-fungal, antibacterial properties, hence making it a very potent cleansing agent for your scalp. It is an excellent remedy for hair loss and other conditions such as dandruff, eczema, and just itchy scalp in general. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this throughout my hair and massage that in clean, like really use the tips of your fingers to massage your scalp just to make sure that you get rid of all the product buildup, all the dirt and whatnot. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And yeah, so to preserve this, if you have some left over, you can just freeze that. So I'm just going to pop the remainder in the freezer until my next wash day. I say wash day. So you don't want to leave this in the refrigerator because it's going to go bad as there's no preservative in it. So you don't want to take that risk. Just to be safe, just freeze that until your next wash day. And yeah, you just defrost it or whatever, and you apply to your hair. It's still going to work amazingly. So yeah, this is it, and this is how my hair looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.